Good afternoon. How's it going? I'll be streaming some Bitcoin today. Get these links out. Oh, I forgot to put a preview image. Whoops. I'll do it after. Bitcoin making some massive ups and downs today. Oh, it looks like someone else is live, so I'm gonna have a split audience. That's all right. Let's see. Do. What did Bitcoin went down like two? Bitcoin went down 2% and then back up 2% today. Little yo-yo. Okay, set up a little bit. Well, now that I'm on, Bitcoin's going to be done moving. Usually changes RSI, but I can't remember what I changed them to, so I'm not going to change those right now. But it looks like it saved everything else yesterday. I gotta fix the screen a little too. When I use the browser to stream, it doesn't always fit after, because I change the browser size afterwards. There we go. What are we looking for here? Pretty good change in state of delivery there. Obviously that's going to be a 786. Oh, how'd I know? Okay. So that's a money printer. Div, fib, boom. So let's have it come back and retest this into here maybe. But I wasn't even joking. The second that I started streaming, it completely stalls. That's actually pretty damn funny. I expect accumulation though at the top here. Something along this line would be nice. But if it pulls another 786, it'll probably down to somewhere in here, right? Yeah. I mean, it could get a little frisky. It is Bitcoin, right? Let's take a look at that level too. Oops, wrong one. I'm just going to set this up while we wait for it to retrace. I have that set up now. I actually want to add one level. What's up, Willa? How's it going? How was your weekend? It looked like fun. Looked like you were on the top of a mountain the other day. I forget, was it, did you ski or snowboard? New 15. See what the one wants to do. That is hilarious. So right when it starts streaming, it's the 1 minute barcodes. See what this message on Discord is. Stas asked me if I was going to counter trade DT. Well, yes. Yes, I am. Okay, I'll check the post, Willa. So many damn groups, right? Oh, you were snow skating. Yeah, those little things. I've seen people on those. That's pretty awesome. Really awesome. My dad, who is like who is 70, jokes that he needs to get a pair of those for when he goes hiking in the winter. I'm not even sure if he's joking though. It'll be faster down the mountain. I'm like, you're right. Yeah, we got the retracement that I wanted. It's a 5 minute look like. Yeah, it's everything's looking the same. Oh, that's cool. You can walk uphill with them. Oh, I thought they might. I thought there was stuff that. So they're actual boots. They're more than just attachments to boots. Or both. Oh, this is aggressive. I guess I should have just shorted it instead of waiting. Should see if DT's long or short. Stas is giving him fucking shit. Nah, you need to come down a little more. Jesus. Wanted to see it tap into that fair value gap, or maybe even down here into this order block before reversing, but it might be a little more bullish than that. Then where would we be aiming? Oops. We can do that now. Where would we be aiming? Let's draw out some levels real quick. Some scalping levels. New 5-minute coming up here in a minute. It's going to railroad it. I have the 15-minute on the right-hand side and the 1 minute on the left-hand side. So in all the different groups I'm in, no one knows where the hell Bitcoin's going. Everyone is saying different things. Pretty normal for consolidation, I suppose. I heard one of the Bitcoin legends had a rough morning, chased their tail with a lot of trades. Oh, hold on. Let me say that again. A Bitcoin legend. Well, I don't know. I don't know who it was. I didn't see it in real time. I was watching a chat about it, and I was like, oh wow, three trades in 5 minutes, all losers. Long the top, then long the bottom, but got wicked out, and then he longed the top again. Some people take more trades than me than in 5 minutes than I do in a week. It's kind of funny. Really unsure what Bitcoin wants to do here. Not as far as macro, but feels like this doesn't look like a clean swing to me, right? I don't like those swings when they form like that on the 15. It barely worked that one out. Yeah, it's kind of junk. I honestly forget like what. Where's my little thingy? Oh shoot. I gotta see if DT is long or short. I'll just do the opposite. This is technically a short in my mind. But I'm looking for the bounce literally right here. Yeah, I like that. But it might just be making the wick. Oh, VWAP. I think I got one of those on this. VWAP. But I don't think it's working. I have no idea. What I'm looking at for VWAP. I don't know the settings, so I'm not going to bother. VWAP, sorry. VWAP. See, it's a little consolidation candle happening right now. Yeah, we had some issues with Tradevate this morning. It made me scared to actually put any risk on this morning. I usually put on something in the background while I'm trading. Today was and a lot of the days it's Tradeify TV. And I was hunting a short, and then I hear some of the hosts going, "Oh my God, Tradevate is glitching. My order didn't get sent." So then I look in the chat, and sure enough, a lot of people are like, "I can't close my position." I'm like, "Oh my God!" I literally was about to press the sell button. and go short, and I don't know if I would have. I don't know. I had all my accounts ready to go too. It would have been a banger. It would have been 250 ticks in 2 minutes. But I did not press it. I'm glad I didn't, because then it reversed. Who knows if I could have got out of the trade. So then I logged out all of those accounts and logged into Lucid and traded some Lucid Evals. And as you guys saw, I did pass one of them. I only needed like 140 or 125 more dollars. It was funny because I had my TP set for over the $3,000 limit, and it hit, but I had slippage, and I still needed $7 more. $7.50 to pass the eval. So then I took two micros and went on an impulse, and once it started moving, I just entered and closed it out quick. I actually hope that I was over 10 seconds, because I might have to do that trade over again, because I think there's a 10-second rule on Lucid. I won't know until the end of the day, though. I could go back and look maybe at my stats for it. Oh no, I just actually that's Lucid updates in real time. I did not know that. Oh, I can't do that on this. I forget I'm not on. I can do this though, can I? Nope. Is there any private information on this bad boy in this? Nope. Yes, there is. Y'all know my name anyway, so I'm good with that. I'm easy enough to find. I'm not hiding. There we go. That's what I was trying to show. It was my first eval with Lucid. Passed it, and it took me way too many days, but see if they have thank you. I'm trying to see if they have a stats page, because I think I had 100% win rate on this one. They do have a stats page, but it doesn't show the win-loss rate. I can show this because this doesn't have my name on it. Here, might as well show some proof of Proof of life here. 19 trading days. I don't know, maybe I had one bad day on this. We'll find out together. I might have had a bad day on this one, and I took it out of the dumpster. I can't remember. %0 win rate today. I don't think that's funny, but I'm up $144. A couple of these are flip days. Those are flip days. That one was a break-even day. Nope, I would have had 100% win rate on. Had 100% win rate on this eval. Oh no, I had one losing trade here. Oh, this. Oh, I know what happened on this date. I accidentally went long when I wanted to go short, and I closed it out. And then it didn't do anything; it just chopped, so I closed it. Yep. So yeah, 100% green days though. Okay, let's see if she's bouncing here. I've just been on fire. I don't even understand what's happening. To be honest with you, I've won 100% of my self-funded trades. $96 or 98% win rate on my prop funded this year for the year. I'm just seeing the charts. Just gotta wait for your A plus setups. If they don't come, they don't come. That's build patience, build that resistance to FOMO, resistance to button clicking. Yeah, exactly. Well, the overtrading's gone. Yep. That's what I struggled with last year, was overtrading. And I still have trouble with... I know I have trouble with that still. I haven't lost, so it's like it's hard to know if I'm going to go into that FOMO, I need to get it back kind of mentality. Okay, so this is a consolidation candle. We're going to wait for the next candle. which happens in 1 minute. See if it comes back down, forms. It's closing bullish as of right now. We got another minute, but it's closing bullish. And then we're gonna watch it come down. I paused because I'm like, oh, maybe it won't close bullish. It's starting to dip. We'll see. We have 30 seconds, and then this will be the protected swing here. Oh, she's getting frisky to the upside. Now trade down. Wanted to trade down. I don't think that's going to be a breakaway gap. It just doesn't feel like it wants to be a breakaway gap right there. Since it's hanging on that other 1 minute fair value gap. Yeah, we're already only 10 seconds, 13 seconds left. Let's go. Here we go. Oh, maybe it will be. So we don't want it to take out this before it comes back down here. We don't want to see below. Chat, up or down? Not bad, not bad. Looking good. We're hitting that wall of... I have it on my other friggin... Do this. Because I have it charted better over here to show where that resistance line is. Oh, there's my... Oh, it might not be this chart, but we can see it how it's stuck in between these fair value gaps right here. It's ping-ponging again, over and over again. Which chart has, though, the daily wick on it? It's not this one either. Oh no, it's an hourly wick. Oh, this is the one. Okay, duh. It was the hourly wick, not the daily wick. There's this wick here on the 1 hour, or maybe in the 4 hour. Right, so it's getting stuck in this zone right here. It just keeps on rejecting off it. But okay, so I read that as balloon dog is bullshit. It's bullish. Balloon dog. What is balloon dog? Is that a real thing? Oh my god, I can't type. I'm on all caps too. Oh, wait, is that a pulse chain thing? Yeah, that doesn't look bullish. Oh, it's a pattern. Oh, it's a pattern. Okay. It's funny that there's a pulse chain coin named Balloon Dog. Are these the legs and the head? Where's my little dry toys? Like leg, body, dog head. Willa, do we need to start a course for Balloon Dog? How do I share this? Only $7,000 a class. People might think we're a little insane. Yeah, she dipped a lot harder than I wanted. That's why I was waiting for confirmation. It's way deep, way deeper than we want. So if she does that, we're going down. Yeah, I was almost jumped in. Should have jumped in right there. Let's see. So that's kind of breaking the range here. Okay, button pressing time. So far that retraces and then jump in. Right off this order block though. Bitcoin being rude. Yeah, I was thinking about it because it's broke through here, but this order block, the purple is an order block. So it's bouncing. I don't know. I don't know because it didn't take out this high though. It took out this low. So this could have been the consolidation, and this could be the manipulation, and this could be the distribution, or this could be consolidation, manipulation, distribution. But like I said, it didn't take out any of the highs here. So maybe long is the way to go. It just probably just means more chop, to be honest. It could just mean that it's going to stay within this kind of range here, within like that range, right? Oops. Right. Kind of looks like it wants a range in there. Oh, I see what you just sent me a chart. I see what you're talking about. What's that? What's the oh, that's a 3 hour. I wouldn't mind that 3 hour playing out like that, will I? Yeah, it's miserable chop. That's what I'm saying. Like, there's no follow through on anything. It's kind of funny because that's what I predicted when I got on. I'm like, okay, I'm past all the action, but I felt like streaming, so. Okay. I hope it's a prediction. Oh yeah, that's from a while ago. I see, yeah. Okay. Like an exaggerated W pattern. Okay. Entry was really down here where we created a money printer down here. Oh, we might have a little money printer, little baby printer here. We got a Diffie. Little baby printer. Oh, the chop is ahead. Okay, yeah. That makes sense, right? Oh, this was an opening range right here. I'm just gonna mark this so I can find it on the 15 when I get there. Oh, this one here. Yep. Oh yeah. Now we're just stuck in the opening range here. That's kind of crazy. Again, people ask, does this guy even trade? And the answer is no. No, I don't. Sorry, guys. I'm not an influencer. I don't trade for clicks. I trade for fun. And I trade the setups that I want to trade. Can't believe how perfect it bounced off that order block, but I don't think it's going to hold. Oh, we're at 3 o'clock. Holy cow. Oh, this is a new hourly candle too. What's the hour look like? It's a new 4-hour too. Yeah, it's a new 4-hour. I know Bitcoin's a little different than NQ. It's like an hour off. Hourly looks pretty heavy. Maybe it is a short. I have no clear direction. I just forgot, and I just remembered because I got a YouTube notification about it. I've worked with some big influencers that actually started a finance podcast. I might have a talk with them. Yeah, I'm going short. I'm going to go short here if this closes below. It's going to. Oh, come on, tap me in. Well, I meant for that to be a market order. I fucked that one up. Oh, I didn't go in big enough size either. Man, I gotta get used to this Bitcoin trading again. Well, oops, I missed it. I thought it was gonna be a scalp to here. I could have sworn I had bigger size than that last time. But, well, wasn't that fucking funny? I can laugh at that. Not only did I think I did everything wrong on that entry. click the limit instead of the market. And then I realized my size was like, I don't know, I would have made like negative money on that scalp because the fees would have made it. I have to just take some time and play around with the with this to remember how much size I need and like what are the damn fees, because I know it's like $10 round trip for whatever size I'm trading. I don't know if that's I have to go study. Well, I would have won it though. I just wanted to scalp down to this fair value gap on the 58. Yeah, no, just full port YOLO every time. I'm really worried about losing this test account though. You know how embarrassing that's gonna be? Oh my god, it's still dumping. Oh my god. Honestly, Ken, I don't even know what my drawdown is. I think maybe $300 we can draw down. Oh crap. Not an ad, guys. I just need to go to Warbucks to see what my drawdown is. Okay, I lose 200 in a day. My total is 300. Consistency, I can't full port it. Well, consistency is 33%. I love how the trader keeps 80% of your fake winnings. Goal is $500. Okay. I know, FOMO chase it. I should. Oh my god, this would have been a banger trade, guys. And then it didn't even re-tap me in when it wicked back in. It never tapped me in. I would have made like $15. Some of us took that trade. That's hilarious, Willa. This is not a signal group. But if you took this trade with me, you'd be sitting here wondering how the hell you didn't get tapped in. Nice. What are you doing up? Just tired. Dog's lonely. She's sleepy this afternoon. We just played, that's why. Okay, watch out. Go. Good girl. Where's your TP, Willa, on it? Feels like it wants to railroad this fair value gap now. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . And for those of you following along at home, this is the trade that I didn't get tapped into because I pressed the wrong button. Well, actually, that was the right one. Oh, where was it? And then I was going to scalp it to here. I was going to do the 1-1. But let's see, where's Willa going with it? I'm going to guess Willa's going all the way down here with it. See, I'd go right here at the bottom of that. If it wants to railroad it, it's going to do it. Oh no, it was right here, wasn't it? It's this one. In any case. Now we'll watch it. Could get stuck at any of this here. This is a pretty... Must be a fair value gap on multiple time frames. Yeah, it's a 5-minute fair value gap. New 5-minute just started. Oh, you're just kidding. Just pretending to work over here. Just put me on the shared workplace radio. Just they'll have no idea what we're talking about. Maybe we'll turn everyone in your company into a trader. Okay, so we're looking over here at Balloonomics on Pulse Chain. It's clearly bullish. Don't ask how we got on this chart. And this is definitely a coin I can chart to make it go to negative numbers. How low can it go? Anyways, that's kind of funny that we got on that chart. Yeah, it's getting hung up on here. I'd be dragging stops at this point since it's getting hung up so hard here. Maybe like stop the break even or like this fair value gap here. Like right there. What's up, Busta? How you doing? You missed the Comedy of Errors, slapstick trading at its finest. I meant to enter this short, and I accidentally clicked the limit button instead, and then my limit order did not get filled. And then I realized that I wasn't using enough size, so my trade would have been like $7 if I win. So it was pretty funny. It was funny all around. Yeah, I probably would get stop out and profit here because it would be right at this fair value gap here. I don't like how it's getting caught. So like, just protect your purse at this point, right? So, because you got big fair value gaps over here, obviously on the 1 minute, and then it goes all the way up through the 5. Got a huge 5 minute, right? And then let's see on the 15. 15, yeah. Oh yeah, obviously the 15. We're going through this one. So it's a pretty strong fair value gap, multiple time frames. So you got to just protect when you get into those areas. Maybe from here. Oops, that's not what I wanted. Did it again. Oh my god. Yeah, surprise, surprise. 786 is on a fair value gap. It is bear flagging there though. We're in a new 15 right now. It's gonna come back up. Yeah, it would have been stopped out now. Stopped out in profit. But it's probably just making the wick. So I have to play around with the sizing. I had the sizing all wrong with this earlier. Was way too light. And then I accidentally hit on limit. I mean, oh my god, that was too funny. Yeah, it's a 5K. I was just testing out Warbucks because I didn't know if I even liked the DX Trader, but then I found out after I bought it that we can use TradingView inside DX Trader. So I'm like, okay, I'm used to that. I really did hate the other DX Trader. Whatever this is here. Is this it? Yeah, I hate this one. Really don't like this one. But still no way to connect it to TradingView, so you can just trade it off of TradingView. This is tempted to chase it here, but I think I'm just gonna sign off instead of chasing it. I don't want to chase. I don't want to be a chaser today. So it's 320. I just came on to see if I could find something. I found something, then fucked it up. But appreciate you guys hanging. Willa, thanks for hanging. Looks like you had fun this weekend. I can't wait to make it up this way. I will see you all tomorrow. I'll stream. And appreciate it. See you in Discord. Peace.